integrations and software. Let's talk about it. How can they make your company more efficient, save money, and or make more money? We have a great example of a client who's a hairdresser a few months back. She was on average taking 100 to 120 phone calls every week, which equated to around 15 hours. And each one of those phone calls were going for roughly 3 to 4 minutes. And they'd have to check a manual diary and then check her 4 staff or her 4 hairdressers when their availability was or wasn't available. What did we do? We built her an online booking system and integrated it into her website where people can book online with their hairdresser of their choice, and it shows to them who's available when and not available. And more importantly, the owner of that hairdresser salon now doesn't spend 15 hours on the phone.